Yeah, my piece it there. Yeah, man. Curry banga fillet ready, man. Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today: some banga curry fillet. Alright, remember banga curry fish fillet. Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. Recipe for today: we have some curry banga fillet. You can see it right here, 2-pack. Also, we have some peas here with pimento, garlic, and ginger. See coconut there to go with the peas, rice and peas. We have a plant on the list here, purple onion, we have a carrot, ginger, black pepper. We have the seasoning them here. And see curry. We have thyme, scallion, pepper, pimento seed of Irish. So please remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Remember to subscribe. It's a recipe eatable, tasteable, delicious. I'm going to put these like this. And see, so I'll show you step by step. Alright, so I'm going to lock it now. I want pressure. Alright, peeps, so if you want pressure now till it gets soft, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Starting by adding some vinegar, water. Add some vinegar to the water like this. Scrape them like this. Put on some smaller size. What? So this stuff, alright. So I cut them more smaller piece, right? Peeps, the fish on the wash and pretty and clean of vinegar water and running water. Alright. You can see the pan right there, so I'll add them back to the pan, right? Some black pepper, some black pepper, keep it really enough like this. Seasoning. All purpose. Some pepper, garlic, thyme, pimento seed. You can see. So I'm going to rub it in like this. Like this is going to stay for 10 hours. That's work. Yes, my feed it up pressure there and thing, you see. I'm going to feed up pressure. Just put a whistle. I will piece to start adding my pepper, my scallion, my thyme to the peas. The peas cooked there. Ready. So I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose to it now. Yeah. Flavor it. Some coconut trash. Eat another flavor again. Got coconut juice now, see there, yeah. Rice and peas are going nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Add some pepper, garlic, ginger, pimento, and thyme to that. Alright, we're going to add some ginger again, some garlic, some pimento to the oil. Like that, right? So we'll flavor the oil like these. That one fry. We have a good time, right? Add some turmeric paste like this. Alright. That one burn. Add some curry, you can see it. So add some curry to the oil now like this. That one burn. You can see fish down there. And curry banga Mary fillet. I'm going to stir it like this, right? So make it burn a little. And you know, I have to spice up the thing the original way, so the curry burn the right and proper way. Peeps, see curry burn, they burn at the oil, see garlic, they see ginger, burn, pimento seed. So we have some purple onion, Irish, scallion, carrot, thyme, garlic. So we're gonna add it like this. One. And fish are going there, man. See fish there. Go on, then a piece. Go on, fry a little bit. Then to add some Maggi to it. Go on, the flavor and nice. So I'm going to add some water, clean, fresh, running water to it now. Like that. So while the Irish them to cook and thing, you see? Yeah. Some people see the update on the curry, you know? Yeah, man, so I go on. It look like they make the seasoning go and cook right out the seed. Yeah, my people see the Irish them just soon cook and all and thing, you see? Yeah. Yeah, man. Eat on 2 more minutes from putting fish them as it. Alright, my people see, eh? It's like one simmer down and down, see it? Yeah, man. Go on, simmer down and go down, you know. Eat on 5 so people can see. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people see there. Yeah, man. Curry banga fillet ready, man. See it? Yeah. Very thick up and rich up, you know. Alright. Well, people see there. You can see banga Mary fillet there. Fry plantain. See curry one over here. See carrot Irish there. See rice and peas. You can see fry one there. Recipe are nice, eatable, tasteable. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Dinner time. Please like and share. Be esteemed. my peeps, the recipe there, you can see it. Yeah, man. Eatable, tasteable. Remember to like and share and peeps. Please and thank